Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have permission, so start now by opening the Sharepoint site and going to Site Contents. Once there, choose New Then List to create an events list, or edit a page and add the events web part. You do this because a dedicated list stores event metadata and the web part displays items visually. Make sure to name the list clearly and set a sensible description. Once created, click New to add your first event and enter title, date, and location. Once you've added a basic event, fill in detail fields, start and end times, description, and location. This ensures users know when and where. Use recurrence options for repeating events and add attendee or organizer fields so permissions and notifications work correctly. Then create custom columns such as category or audience to filter content. Make a calendar view and an upcoming view for quick access. Make sure to test the view filters and column formatting so events appear as expected in different contexts. When your list is ready, edit the page where you want events visible, add the events web part, and point it to your event list. Then publish the page so everyone can see it. Configure audience targeting to show relevant events and enable sync with Outlook or Teams if calendars must integrate. If an event fails to appear, check permissions first, then confirm column types and view filters. Mismatched column names or restricted permissions are the most common causes and are easy to fix once identified.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.